Hey guys, welcome back to the farm. Today's vlog start pretty late, but there'll be two parts for this vlog today, and I'm gonna vlog Friday as well. So thanks for stopping by at Pig Farming Jamaica 876. I'm showing you guys these white sows today. Today is the 25th of October. Oh my god, it's another baby now. Yeah, no, move. These are the second set. They still have like a feeding, because as you guys can see, they get some bigger pans. It's the regular size, and they have the automatic water feeder. Up here now. These are the ones that we bought last week. We had them last week. So by Friday there'll be 2 weeks. You guys probably didn't see these ones, but we have 3 set now. Welcome back to the farm. Welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, we're just giving our sows some little maintenance, clean out the sawdust that was wet. Still have a lot more to clean up because the automatic water pan was malfunctioning. Bags. This needs to go as well. Well, we're gonna burn them next time. We add dry sawdust to the new patch that we just scraped out. Today will be the last day for this one. We are gonna kill them tomorrow. Some of them are really looking big. But yeah, this is them. We are not going to give them any feeding today, so let's give them water only. So that feeding that yesterday were eating, that was in there from yesterday. So they still have that to eat for the entire day, and they have water. They probably fill up all their water pans. Alright, so last day for you guys. These ones will be going over here tomorrow when these ones are gone, and the top ones will be down here. We're gonna feed these ones right about now. Fill up those pans. A big red feed you start by now? Okay. Automatic water, I work. Then when I want to feed in, watch them. So then when they clap one bag a day. It's still around heavy. Turn back heavy again. Anyways, we're gonna be heading over to the pig farm. So let's go. 12:26 p.m. Hi Sheila, with a nice pumpkin belly. She's gonna have so many piglets. Probably 1x15 again. Yeah, cause she probably go 2 months in meeting. 1.5 months to go, and that's the size of her belly already. Over here now, guys, we thought this one was pregnant, but unfortunately she was not, so we just put the brand in with her for about 2 days now. Is in the spotted one over there. We have her in her own pen now, because you guys know that they used to fight. The white one and the spotted one used to fight, so just separate them. Yeah, that's her over there laying down. This so we put her in for brand service last week, so she's super pregnant right now. This is her. She's looking really amazing. Over here, the sow that was here, we butchered her about 2 weeks now. Probably her meat is probably eaten off. Look at our weaners sweet. These weaners are about 3 months, I should say. They are looking amazing. We haven't seen them as yet, that's why I haven't seen their belly looking puff. But they have water. We're gonna feed them once we finish cleaning their pen. Person's asking if we are selling. Yes, we are currently selling all of them. So if you guys are interested, just give us a message. Let us know if you're interested, because we are selling all of them one time. That's Mama Sow right here. She is one of the ones that haven't taken brand papers yet, because the brand that we have is her son. So I'm gonna try to buy semen for her. So probably you guys will see that in the next vlog, or so I'm not sure as yet. But that is her. She's so calm. She missed service about 2 times now, so we know that the 3rd time she go in heat, we're gonna definitely try to get the semen for her. Alright, this so we have not put her into service as yet with the brand, but we're gonna do that in a short while once we finish service. The white field that is in with now, and next cow then she'll be number 3. Hi Mama, milk is dried up. She's here drinking some water. We in their piglets quite a while now, guys. All their milk is fully dried, so we're gonna put the brand in. So here, the sow is looking amazing, because you know she's fat, so she keeps most of her weight. But that's her babies. They're not looking so healthy, especially the white one, but it is her. We give the piglets medicine probably last week, so hopefully by the next vlog you guys will see them looking much better, but that's them for right now. Mindy is about 2 months in as well. Her belly is not probably showing, but she's 2 months in as well. Hi Riaz. Look at how beautiful they are looking. Don't forget to hit us up if you're interested. This one actually, the spotted one right here, she's not for sale. But all the others are for sale. So DMs if you're interested to buy 15 lovely weaners, guys. This is how they are looking, and we have not yet feed them. They are looking really nice. Hi Mama. She is relaxing. That's how she's looking. So in the last vlog you guys see we put the brand in with her, so she's probably pregnant by now. Fingers are crossed. You never tell me see you take him out, you know, so I'm kind of afraid of him.
Go boy, go, 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 go boy. Go boy.
It no matter. Alright, Papa. Yeah, and then I get black. I think he not stay brown, but he not get black. Alright, and that would be all for today's update / farm vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys in our next vlog. Bye bye.